Hey guys, it's that time of the month. Let's unbox my November Boxycharm. Can't believe it's November. Here she is. So, what do we have here? The first item in the box is this Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. I think this is in Instagram. Ooh. And these look like some beautiful, really long, but not completely long, kind of wispy lashes. I think they look pretty good. Kind of a black band. We'll see how easy they are to apply, and beautiful packaging. One thing I've been really impressed with getting lashes from Boxycharm is how nice the boxes that the lashes come in. I think it's really nice, and even if you end up like getting rid of these lashes, you can continue to use the boxes with like other lashes that you might have on the go. So beautiful. Never heard of Lashaholic. And the retail price on these guys is $14.99, which is not too crazy expensive. Sometimes we get like $30 lashes, so very nice. We'll have to, I'm gonna do a dedicated video on these guys. Next, this is interesting and kind of exciting. This is a set of Luxie brushes, and Luxie is one of those beauty box brands, and I think all they make is brushes. These brushes look pretty sweet. They have a gold handle with a bit of a sparkle. There's 4 brushes in the set. And it's a mini flat angled, which is a very unique shape. It almost reminds me of like a concealer brush. A mini tapered, a mini round, which would be perfect for like under the lash line. And finally, a mini angled. So a beautiful little detailed eyeshadow brush set. They are synthetic and they retail for $21. Honestly, one of the biggest ways I've grown my brush collection is not through purchasing brushes on my own, but just getting brushes through different beauty boxes. And I got a lot of Luxie brushes in Ipsy bags, and I was really happy with all of those brushes. They're really some of my favorite eyeshadow brushes. Next, we have this Gentil Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. Just a black eyeliner. It's $5. We've seen Gentil Bleu before. I got a just like plain old brown eye pencil, and I don't think I've ever met a glittering pencil that I've actually really like loved. So we'll see how this one goes. It's a black pencil with like silver sparkle in it. When you blend it out, that sparkle really pops. But I'm not a huge fan of eye pencils in general. I really prefer liquids or like gel pencils. And I really hate ones that you have to sharpen yourself. I find they're really annoying and kind of hard on your eyes. So, I mean, $5, pretty good price. We'll see if I use it. Okay, next, this looks pretty exciting. This is Color Effects Glitter Drops. And I've seen these for a long time just on the internet in general. Ooh, they really have a gold theme going on this month. This is a $44 value, and this is in the shade Nova. So this is a pretty exciting product to try. A nice, recognizable, like, brand there. That looks gorgeous. Gold highlighters on me. I like them better than the cool toned highlight on me, just because I feel like it kind of blends in with my skin better. So this looks pretty intense. We'll have to give it a go. I am more than likely going to do an entire video dedicated to this one. Maybe we can do like a full face of just like glitter. Okay, and I think there's one more product here. Surprise, surprise, another eyeshadow palette. This is from Ace Beauty, and it's the Grandiose palette. And it's just a really warm palette. It looks like 4 metallics, 4 mattes. I feel like this color palette was like really big this year. I don't know if we're like switching it up, but looks really nice. I'll definitely give it a go. Again, I am kind of getting eyeshadow palette fatigue with Boxycharm. I feel like we get a full palette every month, and that's like a lot to deal with. So, but it does look very beautiful. And the value of this guy is $24.99. The theme of the box is Gold Digger, which is why all the products were gold based, I guess. So yeah, the glitter effects, an eyeshadow palette, an eye brush set, an eyeliner, and eyelashes. Kind of an eye heavy box, which I really like. I'm glad we're not getting another like pink lipstick. So that's really cool. Let's quickly review my box from last month. The first thing we got last month was those lace face masks, which I haven't tried yet. I put them somewhere and I couldn't find them before filming this video, but I am going to do a dedicated face mask Friday to those ones because they look pretty unique. And I'm kind of trying to rope Douglas into this. We've both been so busy these last couple months that it's been hard to like sit down and do like a video with Douglas, but I want to do that one. It's gonna be sexy with the lace, and we've got some updates for you guys. So look forward to probably the final face mask Friday of the year, which will feature that face mask. And we got a Kat Von D lipstick, which probably gonna give that away. We got the It Superhero Mascara, which I've tried before, so I don't really want to dig into it and open it up. I've done a whole wear test video on it previously, and I thought it was okay, but a little bit too wet and a little bit too like clumpy for me. Not clumpy, but like too much product comes out of the tube at once. So I'll probably give that one away as well. We got this Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, which I have been using and I have been loving. This stuff is powerful. It's got a light scent, which it's okay. And yeah, it just cuts through makeup. It's really nice. It's a little bit like more aggressive, I would say, than the Bioderma micellar water. But you do have to like get your face wet while using it or after you've got it on. So it's definitely like a nighttime cleanse experience for me, whereas this is like a morning time, afternoon time, like anytime I need to like take makeup off. This is like the guy. This is more like part of my nighttime routine, and oftentimes it follows using the Bioderma to get most of it off, and this like clean up any mascara and whatever's left on my skin. And finally, the last thing we got last month was the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette, which I am wearing one single color on my eyes today, which is this color, which is beautiful. I think it reads more gold on me and more green in the palette itself. And I'm also wearing the highlight today, as well as the blush. This Hidden Secret blush is potent. It might look okay on video, but in real life, it looks like my cheeks are on flippin' fire. I also love that they included darker complexion products in this palette as well. Makes a lot of sense for a beauty box. If you can't use them as complexion products, you can always use them on the eyes as well. Yeah, it looks really beautiful. Some of the colors, I would say the eyeshadows are maybe like slow builders. You kind of have to like slowly work up on layers to get the color payoff that you might be looking for. But they're all really unique colors, except for maybe the matte brown, which is just a matte brown. So I am pleasantly surprised by this palette. Again, Pure is one of those beauty box only brands in my like world. I only see them in beauty boxes, so I'm kind of like, even though a lot of the times like the luxy stuff, I end up really enjoying the products. So maybe I need to be like less biased about that kind of beauty box only thing, just because like I don't see this brand in my like nearby location doesn't mean it's not like a legit brand. And it kind of raises my expectations for this Ace Beauty one that we got this month. Well, you guys, that is it for this month's Boxycharm unboxing and last month's re-review. If you received Boxycharm, let me know, did you get the same products as me? I'm pretty sure maybe everybody got the same products this month. I could be wrong though. I try not to watch unboxings before I've actually unboxed my own, just so I can like keep some surprises up there and like opinions, and I don't know. It's just what I do. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more beauty content from me. I do new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I hope you're having a great Friday. We are getting into the Christmas season now, so if you would like, send me a postcard or a Christmas card, and I will send you one back. Let's be pen pals. My address is down below. Let's Christmas it up a little bit. Huge shout out to my patrons who help bring this video content to you guys. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate you for watching, and with that, you guys, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye for now.